What's going on, everybody? I want to give a little context to this video here. So we got a package last night from our friends Jases and Stacey over at the Krafty Kow. They went ahead and sent Brooke a Cup A Saurus Turner, actually a stackable set. And so she wanted to open it up last night. So it was kind of like an impromptu unboxing, I guess you kind of say. So this is kind of the raw, unfiltered footage from that. So enjoy.
I don't want to cut through their tape. I'm like
So just mutilate the boxes.
I'm not trying to.
I have never seen an unboxing.
Shut it. Shut it, sir. I'm not trying to mutilate anything. There we go. Oh, Lincoln is going to be so excited.
Candies.
About these. Look at those. Arms that don't have epoxy on them. Oh, and I see something that I am extremely excited about. And I don't know if you guys can see them yet. Short legs. Oh my gosh. In my signature color, and I got a little dinosaur and a token. Look at all of this. In the CamiPaige Boutique Rose Gold color. So let me open this so you guys can see what I see, or at least what I'm assuming is the case. But with the Cup A Saurus that I currently have that's on my table, you have to use like the twist. But if you look in there, it looks like they have the new magnetic arms. So you guys see that right there? So you just slide it on and it's stuck in place versus having to tighten it. And I can show you guys what the old Cup A Saurus arms look like. So look at how awesome that is. So those are the new magnetic arms. Oh, here they are right here. So these are like the twist-on arms. So if you like that, you have that option. And one of the things that's really cool about the Cup A Saurus arms, oops, sorry, I'm trying not to knock all this over. Let me just cut this really fast so you guys can see, is that their arms are reinforced up here with this little bit of extra PVC, and their thumb screws, which is like this tightening mechanism right here, is really big. So it's super easy. It's ergonomically easier to use, but also just like it just feels better. But you've still got a lot more support to attach it to the Turner. So that is something that's pretty cool if you're using the regular style arms versus the magnetic ones. Okay, then I got my tall legs. So look at this. Oh my gosh, these are also in the CamiPaige rose gold color. Look at that right there. Look how awesome that looks. So one of the cool things also about the Cup A Saurus is like you really get to customize it to what you're doing. So you have the option with the either the stackables or the regulars that you can either go with a shorter stance right here, or let me set this to the side, or you can go with a taller stance. So you can raise your Turner up a little bit if you're using some bigger cups. So what were you going to say?
Oh, I was looking at the rating on the top.
Oh, yeah, Cup A Saurus. All right. So let's keep on going. Oh, and this is something else that is a huge, huge, huge plus with their foam inserts. They are a lot bigger and a lot stiffer, so I don't know if you can see that, than a lot of the other foam inserts out there. So I really, really, really love these. I can't recommend them enough. And it's super easy to really hold your cups in place. You don't have any movement with you or with these, and they're just really awesome for all kinds of cup sizes, not just the bigger ones. So if you don't have their inserts, I highly recommend them. There's that. Oh, more inserts, which I can't get enough of. So this is also their stacking kit. So one of the things that I really like in my turners, just because I usually have so many cups turning at once, is I like to stack the sets. So that way I can have a couple of different, or just multiple cups going at once. So this is my stackable set, so you can see there, and Nick will show you how to put all of this together. But look at how cute that is in my rose gold color. Again, I'm just absolutely loving how all of this turned out, and with like the little Cup A Saurus right there. Okay, so there's my stacking set. Oh, more inserts, and I'm so excited about this. So I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but if you're doing a lot of Milky Ways, or if you like to do a lot of kind of like the swirls on the cups with either micas or paints, this is their new product they just came out with. Or it's newer. It's been out for a little bit. But it is a little tool that allows you to hold your medicine cups. So like if you're clumsy like I am, you don't knock them over. And you just set it in there. And it's in the Krafty Kow. Look at that. And it's all rose gold. So it's so freaking cute. I love how it just kind of like sits right in there. I have a medicine cup right here so I can show you. So like this is like just a little medicine cup that I mix some glitter in. But yeah, so it just fits just like there, holds it right in place. And so you can kind of move it and you're not going to just like accidentally knock it over and spill epoxy everywhere. So very highly recommend it for us klutzy crafters. That could be a shirt, klutzy crafter. And then here is the 4-cup medicine holder. So this is great if you're doing some maybe larger Milky Ways or whatever it might be. I wonder if it's in the rose gold color. It is. Look at that. And then also look how cute the Krafty Kow is in the rose gold pink. I absolutely love it. And again, you just can fit your little medicine cups of epoxy or glitter, whatever it might be, in there and hold it in place. So I really, really love this. But I'm kind of getting to something sparkly and I'm getting all sorts of excited. More inserts. So they do have the thinner inserts for like your 20-ounce straight skinnies or your smaller cups that you might be working on. So yeah, so it comes with all of these super cool instructions, just like a word of caution and everything like that. And it shows you how to stack your turners if you're going to do it. So this is going to be super helpful for all of making really Nick put the turner together, if I'm honest. Thank you, honey. Love you. But if you guys do not know Jases and Stacey, you definitely need to. They're wonderful people. And now we're getting to the grand finale. See. Oh, more foam inserts. Oh, wait, there's more. There's more stuff. Look at this.
Squirrel.
Hey, I'm getting excited about all my stuff, okay? It's not my fault they like me better.
What do we do?
So there's some more foam inserts, which I can't get over. Oh, look, I get another Krafty Kow sticker because I've got one. So
cool.
I've got that little thing. And let's get into the big stuff. Just get right in here. Here we go. All right. You ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
And look at this beauty. So one of the awesome things about the Krafty Kow is that you could get like the standard white turners if you wanted them to create you one, or you can customize it. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm kind of obsessed with rose gold. And so if you could see, Stacey hand glittered this. She actually sent me a whole video on it. And I just think it's so cute. But one of the reasons why I I wanted to go with the Cup A Saurus turner is because the running joke is that I always epoxy my buttons down. I do it all the time, but the difference with this is the reason why I epoxy my buttons down is because I would either forget to turn on my turner after I epoxy my cups or turn off, so I would always get it stuck there. But the cool thing is that they engineer their turners to just use one motor. So it's one motor. It's plenty powerful, so it's a huge motor. So you only have to push one button and then all four that you see here come on. So you're not fumbling with multiple switches. You just have one cord. So it's really awesome. It works great, and I can't wait to pull out the other one that I have because I think this should be an awesome addition to my whole turner repertoire. So there we go. Now let's get into the other one, which I am, oh man, I just can't get over this color. I don't know if they're gonna offer that color now because they know that I've always been a huge fan of the rose gold. So right there. Trying not to mess anything up. Yep. Whoa, look at this one. So that's a 5, and it is absolutely beautiful. I can't get over it. And it's like, it's compact, but it's also giving you enough room to really work with it. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get this all set up. So you guys will have to stay tuned. And when I say me get it all set up, I mean Nick, but it's all right. But look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I'm obsessed.